Hello everyone, Grandma here. My mother was Polish and my father was Italian. So every Easter we had a Polish breakfast and an Italian dinner. So today I am going to be making spinach lasagna. The first thing you have to do to make the lasagna is put water in a large pot on a rapid boil. And now I'm going to put my lasagna noodles in to be cooked. You have to stir the noodles frequently, and I'll be cooking them anywhere from 11 to 13 minutes. My lasagna noodles have been cooking for 11 minutes and they're done now, so I will be taking them out of the pot. What I like to do after my lasagna noodles are in the colander, I like to lay out parchment paper and lay out each one of my lasagna noodles so they dry nice and straight. They don't get stuck together in the colander or they get folded. So this way they lay flat, and I find it takes a little bit of time, but it makes it easy when I'm putting my lasagna together. Now I'll be putting together my spinach lasagna. I have my homemade sauce here. So now what you want to do, you want to put a layer of homemade sauce at the bottom. And just cover the whole bottom. And now what I'm going to do is take my lasagna noodles and put a layer of these on the bottom. And I find it so much easier taking them off the parchment paper. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little ricotta cheese down. And spread this out. I like no other cheese in my lasagna but ricotta cheese and mozzarella cheese. And of course that's how my Italian father liked it. He didn't like any other cheese in his lasagna. Now I have baby spinach here. I have some baby spinach, and what I like to do is I buy the spinach that's triple washed, so I don't have to wash it. I don't fry it up or anything. All I do is I take the stems off because Grandpa does not like the stems, and all I do is lay my spinach down. And I find this to work very, very well. My lasagna doesn't get soggy or anything. And it's so easy. And if you love spinach, you'll love this lasagna. But of course you could make lasagna any way you want with a variety of vegetables or put meatballs in it, sausage. But we like the spinach. And now I'm going to add a little bit of mozzarella cheese. On top. And some people cut their mozzarella in squares and put it in. I like to shred it. I think it's easier, it melts better. And that's it. And now I'm just going to put a little bit of sauce on top. And now I'm going to put another layer of the noodles. All you do is repeat the layers. Put a little ricotta on top, and then I'm going to put my spinach. Like I said, you just layer it like this, and it really cooks well. These are a little big for baby spinach, but that was what was in the package that I bought. Now with this one, I have a little Italian seasoning, so I'm going to add a little Italian seasoning to this layer. And you could add whatever seasoning you like. I like a little Italian for flavor. Not too much, just a little bit. And now I'll sprinkle my mozzarella cheese on top. Put a little sauce on top of that. Okay, that's the second layer, and I'll be back when this is all completed. Now this is what you do with the last layer. All you do is put the sauce on top, and now I sprinkle it with mozzarella cheese. And this will be nice. They'll be all melted and nice on top. And that's how easy it is to make spinach lasagna. Now to cook this, I'll cook it at 350 degrees, probably for an hour, till this is piping hot and everything's cooked through. I just took the spinach lasagna out of the oven and I had it cooking at 350 for 1 hour. Now I'll let it rest for about 15 minutes and it'll be ready to be enjoyed. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Delicious, Ma. Nice flavor with the sauce, your homemade sauce, the spinach. This is a nice light meal for the spring since we had a heavy breakfast. And I'm enjoying it. What do you think, Grandma? How's it taste?
Delightful. I love the spinach lasagna, and I like it much better than having meat. And it's so easy to make with the spinach, because I don't cook the spinach or anything. I just put it in raw and it cooks nice.